Hello, students. Today we are going to study electricity, one of the most important chapters in Class 10 physics. Electricity is part of our daily life. Lights, fans, mobile phones, everything works because of electricity. So let's understand this chapter in a very easy and interesting way. Why electricity matters. Electricity is everywhere around us. We use it all day, but we cannot see it. So the big question is, how does electricity work? What controls it? Don't worry, by the end of this lesson, everything will be clear. Electric current, I. First, let's talk about electric current. Electric current means the flow of electric charge. Simply put, it tells us how fast electricity is flowing. It is written as I and measured in ampere. You can imagine current like water flowing in a pipe. More water flow means more current. Voltage, V. Now let's understand voltage. Voltage is the push that makes current flow. Without voltage, current cannot move. It is written as V and measured in volts. Think of voltage like the height of a waterfall. Higher height means stronger push. Resistance, R. Next comes resistance. Resistance means opposition to the flow of current. It slows down electricity. It is written as R and measured in ohms. Just like stones in a river slow down water, resistance slows down electric current. Connecting all three. So now we have three things. Current is the flow, voltage is the push, resistance is the opposition. But how are they connected? Is there one rule for all of them? Yes, and that rule is called Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law says that current depends on voltage and resistance. The formula is very simple. V equals I into R. This is the most important formula of this chapter. If you understand this, electricity becomes very easy. Ohm's law triangle. To remember formulas easily, we use the Ohm's law triangle. Cover the value you want to find. If you cover V, you get I into R. If you cover I, you get V divided by R. If you cover R, you get V divided by I. This trick is very useful in exams. Numerical example, current. Let's solve a simple numerical. Voltage is 10 volts and resistance is 5 ohms. We need to find current. Formula is I equals V upon R. So 10 divided by 5 gives 2 ampere. Very easy, right? More examples. Now another example. If voltage is 5 volts and current is 0.5 ampere, resistance will be 10 ohms. And if current is 2 ampere and resistance is 4 ohms, voltage will be 8 volts. Just apply the formula carefully. VI graph. The VI graph is very important for board exams. Current is on the x-axis and voltage on the y-axis. A straight line graph means Ohm's law is followed. The slope of this graph gives us resistance. Now electricity is no longer confusing. You understand current, voltage, resistance, and Ohm's law. With practice, you can easily score full marks. Board exam. Tips. For exams, remember these points. Write definitions clearly. Always write the formula first. Mention correct units. Show all steps. Draw neat graphs. And practice daily. Electricity is a scoring chapter. If you understand V equals IR, success is guaranteed. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. Thank you and happy learning. Subscribe for more.